Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Been a very busy week over here in this house, so I apologize for the couple days of delay, but some good news came out Wednesday, 2 days ago. The State Supreme Court of California has agreed to take up the case on microstamping. If you're not familiar with the microstamping law that was passed in 2007 in California, it required every newly sold handgun in California to have technology inside the firearm that, when fired, would transfer the make, model, and serial number information to every casing, every round that was fired by that weapon. Now, people for this law said that it would help police identify guns used in violent crimes. Now, the manufacturers said that this forcing this technology on them would raise the costs of their firearms, and that the criminals could easily evade this type of technology. Now, when this law was put into place in 2007, it basically said, and I'm paraphrasing, that this law will just hang around until there's certification from state officials that this technology actually exists and that it's usable. That certification came in May of 2013 when they said that this technology is available and we can now implement it. And then in 2014, a group of manufacturers represented by the NSSF, the National Shooting Sports Foundation, launched a suit saying that it was technologically impossible to microstamp two areas inside of a firearm. And then when that was up in court at the Fresno County Superior Court, a judge dismissed the case, saying that because the manufacturers weren't claiming any constitutional grounds, and the only way that they can overturn a law is by its constitutionality, that this case was basically dead in the water. He also said that manufacturers can claim that compliance with this law is impossible, but any changes to that law falls on the legislature, not the courts. So then in December, after it was appealed, it made it to the 5th District Court of Appeals, where that court decided to reinstate the case because manufacturers had the right to try to prove that complying with this law was impossible. So now it's made it all the way to the State Supreme Court, and 2 days ago they agreed to take the case on. Now, it hasn't been scheduled as of the recording of this video, and there are two options. They can dismiss it, or they can agree to let it proceed and hear the case. But either way, if you live in California, you're not aware of this, you might want to take note of this. The case is National Shooting Sports Foundation v. California, and it's S239397. That's the docket number, S239397. So this could be good for residents of California with this stupid cockamamie liberal dream of microstamping. Let's see, fingers crossed. A lot of potential good things happening on our end of the spectrum here as a gun owner and a gun lover, and somebody who loves our freedoms. So let's check it out. If you hear something before I might get back to do an update, let me know. Shoot me an email. My email's in every one of my descriptions of my video. You can also post any comments here so that you can keep us all up to breast. If you have more knowledge, obviously I live in Massachusetts. This is in California, so you residents of California will hear something more than likely before I do. So if you hear something, let us know. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. This freedom family that I have here continues to grow on this channel, and together we can make things happen. Until we see each other again, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets telling you to be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care, everyone.